Last week's episode featured on repairing the bodywork of the Morris Minor Traveller, making sure it's structurally sound and most importantly safe. Keith, the welder, was in the workshop, reinforcing the chassis and addressing the areas that needed attention. Today I'm here with David, who helps me at Origins. He keeps operations running smoothly and plays a key role in keeping everything on track. Together we're preparing the Traveller for the next stage, paint to the engine bay. The car's been cleaned thoroughly and now it's just about ready for its first coat of primer. Now meet Paul. He's stepping in to give the Morris Minor's Traveller's engine bay its first coat of primer. This is where the transformation really begins. It's a key step in bringing the car back to life.
Bit at the front?
Yeah, the bit across the front, there and there, up, and just the outside, because then I can just, the rest I can hand paint, but that'd be nice if that was neat top coat.
Just try not to get too carried away, innit? Yeah.
See, that sort of thing there, that's where we've let it in.
Yeah. It's a makeshift body shop, isn't it?
It is.
It's better than outside, apparently.
A few weeks, look.
I'm going to dig Glen or wherever and start here.
Because I just wanted to discuss this with you.
Tape? What tape?
This bit here. Why don't we just go, I know it creates a line, and I'll just feather it out gently, the line.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Because it was up here.
Yeah.
And I brought it right back down to here.
Yeah.
I thought that if you just come inside that line, normal.
Okay, we'll do that. You do that.
There'll be a hard line, but
Yeah,
I'll just feather it.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
This is Bermuda Blue. Quite unusual colour actually for these cars. BU40 is the paint code.
We
Yeah.
We don't need that anymore, do we?
Are you going for it?
What?
You going for it?
No, I just put a glass on. Because the smell in the...
Even the smell of it.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Getting attacked by it.
I don't like it.
Going for it.
We're waiting for the paint to tack off. Yeah, so.
Those days when we used to rent out that spray kit for people. Yeah, great. Well, once you cut it for another year, it'll be all right. Stupid question. Is this easier to put on a not run than cellulose, do you think? Or is it exactly the same?
Same.
You've still got to be right clever. Yeah. Do you remember with cellulose when you bought a brand new car, they'd say don't polish it for 2 weeks or something like that, wouldn't they?
It's still dry.
Obviously, the more coat it gets on, it will take a little bit longer, won't it? It's only an engine bay, for goodness sake. Thomas got a big green.
So the bodywork, the actual outside's all right, was it? Yeah.
It's okay.
The wood was okay, was it?
It's all right. Ideally, there's more of it being what? Got a bit of woodwork in it.
It's going to Only Glam.
There's a big difference between a mini clubman, a woody, and a traveller woody.
Go on then.
That structural on a mini is stuck on.
Oh right, yeah.
There you go.
There you go. You see, you learn stuff all the
Useless
day.
information.
Or a mine of it. Say drink. They're not very good at drinking alcohol.
Some of them are there.
Panel there.
You can give to me.